Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel once again. In this video I want to share with us solution approaches or strategies to solve the problem of frequent burning out of bulbs for lighting points. Some of us must have encountered the problem of having a lighting point that always burn out frequently. When you put a bulb today, in less than 2 days it burns out. So I'm going to share with us a strategy I adopted which worked fine and is going to work for you. So it's going to be for the benefit of those in the electrical line, and then for every other person because we believe in the DIY do it yourself. So let's watch this. Now let's take a look at the following steps. These are the steps we are going to take through the course of our repairs. We see identify all connection points of the lighting point. So because we're talking about lighting points, the connection points our mind should go to the switch, the lamp holder terminals, and for old buildings like the one we are going to encounter in this video, they make use of junction boxes. So these are the connection points related to lighting points. The next thing we are going to look out for is loose connections. So when there is loose connection or when there is partial contact, what happens is that resistance of that particular terminal or that particular junction increases and the continuity decreases. So and we know that when current flows through resistance, energy in form of heat is being dissipated. So when this occurs, this heat has adverse effect on these terminals. So over time, the intensity of this adverse effect increases. So this adverse effect could be in the form of burns, rusting, discoloration. So sometimes this adverse effects could only affect the particular terminal, the particular connection point. So while other times, more severe cases, this adverse effect of heat can affect wiring, the whole wiring for that particular circuit, and this is often visible. So what you have to do is this: severe cases will require complete rewiring of that particular circuit, but the minor cases that affected only that connection point, all you have to do is to strip the wires insulation up to the unaffected part, then cut out the affected part and make a fresh and more firm connection with the unaffected part.
Subscribing to a YouTube channel simply means clicking the red subscribe button and the color changes to black, showing subscribed. Thanks for watching. Remember to click your subscribe